Emily here, otherwise known as That Mom with a Laser and the brand ambassador for Eon Laser USA. And today is January, let me check my calendar. January 30th, Monday, which means it's meeting day. So today is going to be a vlog about the day in the life. This is one of my busiest days of the week because this is when I schedule the majority of my meetings and I get laser focused, I guess you could say, on whatever needs to be accomplished this week. So far today, I've been up since 5:30, woke up the kids, packed their lunches, got them ready, took them to school. Then I get back around like 8 o'clock usually and I walk Woody. That's one of my favorite times of the day because I really just shut everything off and just enjoy walking my dog. Then I put away the dishes, throw in a load of laundry because keeping up with a family of 5 is like a nightmare. So I have to try to discipline myself to do at least one load a day. Then I got my face on because I'm gonna be in meetings all day and now I'm here with you. So it's now 9:09. I have a meeting in 20 minutes. And what are those meetings like? Well, today I'm meeting with an Eon partner. Then I'm gonna meet with the Eon customer success team. And pretty much when I meet with them, we are going over, what are we doing to improve the customer experience? What needs to get accomplished? What needs to be finished? Where my role is in all of that. So we kind of just get on pace with what we want to accomplish that week for Eon. So today Module 2 released for my Laser Launch Academy. So I have to go live in there because I do like weekly giveaways to help my students stay motivated to finish their course material. Because, life gets in the way, right? You sign up for a course and then you have work and all these other things. So anyhow, I've got to go announce who the winner was for last week. And I also like to pop in live regularly because I feel like it helps keep them motivated too to stay on task. What else? I want to go live in my Facebook group this week and I want to record a Valentine's Day video on these guys. I made these like 2 years ago. These are one of my best selling digital cut files and I've never made a tutorial on that. So I'm also going to start the process of recording this tutorial and I might make a second one so that I can go live in my Facebook group and make it with the people on there, with the group. What else? I've lost track, but I'll fill you in on other stuff that we need to do as the day progresses. So let's get to it. All right, so every time a new module releases in my course, I'm always really excited because it's really encouraging to see how excited my students are about, their lessons. So Mom can actually see their progress. So one of the things I find myself doing, which I need to stop doing because it's distracting, is logging into the student portal or like my end of it and seeing how far along my students are already getting on that lesson. I mean, given it's only been released an hour this morning, but I'm so excited because I'm already finding, like, I can see the percentage of how much they've done, and there are already several students who are already like 50% through, like 30%. They don't have enough time yet because the modules are like 1.5 to 2 hours long. So anyhow, I'm proud of my laser babies. They're doing their work. All right, I gotta jump into my meeting. I'm gonna put keywords in there for sure. Okay, so I just wrapped up one meeting. I have 30 minutes until my next meeting. And so in the meantime, I am going to upload a bunch of footage that I have because I'm also trying to learn how to work with a video editor because that's a whole other new thing for me, but I gotta free up time and video editing takes forever. So I'm gonna take all of my footage, upload it for the editor, and if I have enough time, I need to clean up this disaster that I have going on here. And then I'll be jumping into the customer success meeting with Eon. Okay, so while those download, it's time to clean up this disaster. It's crazy. Well, this looks much better than it did a few minutes ago, right? And I didn't get too much done. I only had like 20 minutes. But when I was younger, I remember my mom, she would get so frustrated because the house was so crazy. And then she really had this period where she was on a kick from this lady called the Fly Lady. I think it's flylady.com. I don't know. I think she's a big deal now, but way back when I was in high school, I think she was just getting started. And she was all about like a power 10. And let me tell you, you set the clock and you do like 10 minutes of whatever the task is, and you can get a lot done. Like, I feel so much better working with a nice clean desk area. So I had my meetings mixed up. I actually have a meeting now with Diane, who is my communications manager, and she helps me with scheduling things, staying on top of things, updating whatever we need to update. We need to make some updates to the course resources for Laser Launch Academy. So that's what I'm going to be meeting with her about now. And if I have time in between, I'll pop in another Power 10 so I can knock out, you know, the rest of this stuff and have a clean, hopefully a clean office for the rest of the week. So let me go ahead and share the screen. All right, so the plan for the week is now in place, and I was gonna clean up the rest of the disaster, but the day's already getting away from me. What time is it? It's 10:55. I have that customer success meeting in 30 minutes, and I really want to head over to the warehouse. Some orders came in over the weekend. I want to finish those. Not a lot, but they're, you know, they need to get done. And so I'm going to head over to the warehouse and start doing whatever I need to do over there. But I'm going to take a few minutes to check into my Facebook group and check what we call the lobby. This is where anybody who is waiting for post approval, they're waiting in the lobby. So I'm going to review those posts, make sure that they're not violating any of the group rules or anything, and then head on over to the warehouse. So I've unboxed a bunch of stuff that I brought in from home, and now I'm gonna get ready to go live in my LLA Facebook group to announce the giveaway winner. But before I do that, my editor just told me he's uploaded some of the shorts that we're repurposing from my past videos so that we can use those for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok. So I'm gonna review those and then get ready to go live in the group. That is nice. I like it. Okay guys, so it's time for me to go live in my Facebook group for Laser Launch Academy and announce a winner. Because like I said, every week I try to keep my students on pace and I do giveaways for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my phone and get ready to go live. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I am getting ready to announce who the winner of the basics giveaway is, but I know I'm hopping in here live without announcing it. So I'm gonna give everybody a few minutes to join me, and then once you guys are here, we'll go ahead and announce whoever the winner is. So once you're with me, let me know in the comments below. Exactly. All right, so I'm home and we've gone to soccer. And while I'm really excited to be able to do this for my kids, I'm a little fearful of the amount of time it takes to go to so many soccer lessons. Like, we have the two little ones want to be in soccer, so we've got 4 practices to attend each week. And that's okay, because why else would I work so hard if not to give my kids everything I possibly can? Within reason, obviously. But anyhow, so now I am editing a YouTube video because I want to release that tomorrow. I'm really trying to stay consistent again with 1 video a week. And so I've got to finish the final edits and then upload it to YouTube and then write everything I need in the description, make sure all the links are accurate and all that fun stuff. And tomorrow is another day. So whatever I didn't finish today will, roll over to tomorrow, and that's okay. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'm really not used to talking to the camera and just rambling. And I hope that, whatever it is that you've watched here brings you some value. And that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys around here soon over at That Mom with a Laser. Bye, guys.